I have been hearing most of you say, Madam Chairperson may have the ground, you know, so and so doesn't have the ground. But who are on that side and they tell you, you know, you're the best. Now it is the time to prove to us if you're actually the best. So we are waiting for you to defend yourselves. I want you people to relax, feel at home, and just know that there is nothing very difficult. For as long as you support the party, you have been with NUP, you know the values, you know everything about the party. We are not going to ask you things outside our party. Things concerning your position and things within our party. So just relax, don't be intimidated by our faces. Relax, what you can answer, answer. What you are not able to answer, feel free and say pass. It is okay, it's not that we know everything. Even me as the chairperson, it's not that I know everything. So don't feel intimidated by some of the questions. Those people did it intentionally for me not to pass. It is not intentional. If you don't know, you don't know. And that is it. You know very well this will take 40% of the total mark. And then the ground will give us the 60%. So I want to wish you success and welcome you to this vetting session. The vetting session will go up to the 21st. So you're our first candidate.
The process currently is for the party to identify who is the best person to hold its flag in all different constituencies. And I'm quite confident that at the end of this process, I will be successful in carrying the party's flag for the municipality of Chira. I am quite optimistic and confident. The current election is a struggle, is a battle between reclaiming the power of the people and maintaining the status quo. And that shall be seen at every electoral area, be it a councillor, be it a district, be it every constituency. So it will, fortunately, I have all the competencies, one, to do what is required of a member of parliament constitutionally. However, I carry with me an extra edge of having a fresher mind, a fresher energy, and most importantly, what we've been doing, we're just changing front.
The Electoral Management Committee is doing its role and is ready to see that we are having the best candidate of Wakiso Woman MP. Not only the best candidate for Wakiso Woman MP, but the best candidate for each and every position. People who are going to be representing the common man in Parliament of Uganda. What I stand for, and it's what I've been doing, for Wakiso's case, I'm having the Daffet Somme program that is aiding the girl child to stand firm, to ensure that she finishes her education, also not forgetting the boy child, aiding out the women groups. Now it's in Chira, it's in Nansana, it's in Chengera. I hope to also escalate it to other areas. But two, I also still have to represent Wakiso. In Parliament of Uganda, this district has some unique features. We want to see that what is due for us is fully covered. We cannot continue having that continuous jam. Where are those access roads? How comes they are not tarmacked? How comes Wakiso hasn't been given the compensation? Now, for example, in an area like Chitezi. So it still needs a voice that will speak for people who are not in Parliament, but where allocation is done.
People power!